Hi, I'm going to try something here. This year we're not collecting homework, which is a little tricky in some ways, mainly because the students can simply Google a question and it's anywhere they want to look for it online. So we've come to doubt the validity of some of our grades. So we've come to this quizzing thing. So basically the students get a quiz pretty much every day in all of the math classes, and it counts for 10%, which in the long run probably isn't going to hurt them much, but early on it's having an effect. And we have our first test coming up. I spend a lot of time with the students trying to simplify things so that they can understand what's happening, and I know that as parents, because I am one and I've had to be the parent role in this, it can be frustrating when some of this math comes back and it doesn't look anything like what we did in maybe Algebra 1 or Algebra 2 or something like that. So I'm going to make a series of very short keys for these quizzes so that you as parents or students, if you're looking on to study for a test or something, you can look and see what was expected and what you can expect. So in this problem, this was the very first quiz. It's been a while since the kids have seen this one at this point, but we're looking for a pattern in the numbers. I've got 56, 41, 26, 11, and so what I want them to see is that we're subtracting 15. That's the what's happening, or I call it the what's going on, the WGO. So it's expected that the students would then continue this pattern and go -4 and -19. I hope my math is right. I think I'm doing this in my head correctly. And what do we have? 34. And then -49. If my math is correct, I think it is. So I'm looking for them to fill that in correctly. So this sequence idea is really a big part of this whole module, which is a pretty big one. Unfortunately, we still have a couple weeks till the test. At this point, I'm talking to you on 9/12. All right, so on the second one, I've got -11, -4, 3, 10. I'm looking for what's going on. I don't want to look at these negatives to figure it out. I'm going to look at the positives. To go from 3 to 10, that's +7. Well, it's also +7 to go from -4 to 3, so I'm pretty confident that the what's happening or what's going on is +7. So 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 plus 7 would be 24. Plus 7 would be 31. Plus 7 would be 38. And that's it for this quiz. I hope that clarifies what was expected on this. And I'll make separate files here, so look for the next file.